How to enable 2FA on CoinEx. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to enable two-factor authentication on your CoinEx account, then it is one of the best ways to secure your account. So here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the CoinEx app or website and sign into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, from the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Security. Inside the Security tab, go to Two-Factor Authentication option, and you have different forms of two-factor authentication you can activate. Go ahead and select the most recommended from the list, which is the Passkey option in my case. You can also go ahead and add OTP verification or mobile verification. Simply select the two-factor authentication method you want to use. I'm just going to tap on the OTP option. Go ahead and tap on Bind OTP and you'll receive a verification code sent to you via your registered email. Go open up your email inbox and open the email from CoinEx. Copy the code that you've received to bind in OTP, get back to the CoinEx app and paste it in. Now, the next thing you want to do is to download and install the Authenticator app, which can be Google Authenticator or Authy. I'm just going to download and install Google Authenticator. Once you've downloaded it, go ahead and copy the code right under add your CoinEx account name and the key option at the bottom. Once you copy the code, launch open your Google Authenticator app. And then once you're inside, go to the bottom right and tap on the plus icon. Now click on this enter a setup key button and paste in your key inside the your key tab. Now go ahead and type in CoinEx in the account name so that you can recognize it later. You can also select the type of key from the bottom drop down, which can be time-based or counter-based. I'm just going to keep it to time-based as it is and tap on add at the bottom. Once you do that, your CoinEx account will be added. Tap on it once to copy the code, get back to the CoinEx app and tap next and paste in the code on the next page. And right after you do that, you'll be able to enable two-factor authentication, which is OTP verification in this case. But you may also go choose the Passkey biometric or mobile verification option to enable 2FA. Now, the two-factor authentication has become active immediately. Now you'll need a new code every time you log in or withdraw funds. Turning on two-factor authentication in CoinEx is a quick but powerful step that protects your crypto from hackers. Once it's enabled, your account becomes much more secure, even if someone knows your password. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.